Morning friend, we are discussing about the vision IAS question. Let's discuss the first question. First question is related to the art and culture. They are asking about the ancient history of India in the term Bhagaduga and Rajugaka refers to which of the following? Number first, official associated with agriculture during the Japanese period. Second, military officer during the Gupta period. Third, classification of the press during the Shunga period. Number four, department of deals with outbreak of epidemic during the Ashoka period. Let's see, I again repeat the question. With reference to the ancient history of India, the term Bhagaduga and Rajugaka refers to number first, official associated with the agriculture during the Japanese period, Janpada period, military official during the Gupta period. Number third, classification of the priest during the Shunga period, department to deal with the outbreak during the Ashoka period or the epidemic that are existed or contemporary to the Ashoka. Second thing, which one of the following is an artificial lake? It is related to the geography section. Number first is the Kodai Canal. Is it located in Tamil Nadu? Number second, Kollaru in Andhra Pradesh. Number third, Nainital in Uttarakhand and Renuka, Himachal Pradesh. I again repeat the question. Which one of the following is an artificial lake? Kodai Canal in Tamil Nadu. Second, Kollaru in Andhra Pradesh. Nainital in Uttarakhand. Renuka in Himachal Pradesh. And you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the Cantonment Board and it has a specific chapter in Lakshmikant. Okay, with reference to the Cantonment Board, consider the following statement. Number first statement is regarding it is established by municipal administration for the civilian population in the cantonment area. So it is just an establishment of the municipal administrator kind of a thing for the civilian population, so that we can regulate civilian population in the armed force area. Second, it is constituted by the state government by notification in the government gazette. Number third, so it is the state government is it made regarding notification to them. The member of the board are nominated by the governor of the state. And option are these: first and second, first and third, second and third. I can repeat the question. With reference to the cantonment board, consider the following statement. First, it is established for the municipal administration for the civilian population in the cantonment area. Second, it is constituted by the secretariat government. Is it? Number third, the member of the board are notified by the governor of a state. And option are these. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the history section. They are asking about in the context of the administrative policy following by the British, the policy of ring fence is referred to. Number first is promoting the friendship between the princely state surrounding the company's establishment. Second, gaining support from the princely ruler by providing some authority to them. Number third, defense of the frontier of the neighbor so that they can safeguard their own territory. Number four, the policy of garrisoning the capital city of every important princely state. I again repeat the question. In the context of the administrative policy regarding the Britisher, the policy of the ring fence is referred to. Number first, promoting friendship between the princely state surrounding the company's establishment. Number second, gaining support from the princely rule by providing some autonomy. Number third, defense of the frontier of their neighborhood to safeguard their own territory. Number fourth, policy of garrisoning the capital city of every important princely state. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the nanosponges are in use, sometimes seen in use, are predominantly used as. Number first is an agent to tackle the soil spill in a seas. Second, a carrier for drug delivery. Number third, conducting material used in solar panel. Number fourth, an agent to supply nutrient to plant root. I can repeat the question because it is in news, so that's why this question is asked. Nanosponges sometimes is in use are predominantly used in. Number first, an agent to tackle all the spill in seas, a carrier for a drug delivery. Number third, conducting material used in solar panel. Number fourth, an agent to supply nutrient to plant roots. Let's see the answer to the first question. Okay. In the context of the ancient history of India, the term Bhagaduga and Rajugaka refers to that it is an official associated with agriculture during the Janpada period. So it is an official that are associated with agriculture, farm bill, is in news. So that type of question can be asked. Bhagaduga and Rajugaka. So first is correct. Let's see the explanation that is given by the vision. Both the category of official Bhagadata and Rajugaka emerged during the later Vedic period are continuing to the early medieval period. An official called Bhagaduga collected Bhaga share of the agriculture produce. When the popular assembly of the later Vedic period lost their significance, the Rathanis or jewel bearer the relative courtier and palace official of the king assumed significance. The list of the Ratanis include the Purohita, chief priest of the palace, general, the chamberlain, the king's charioteer, and various other influences palace's servant. Two of the Ratinas, that is the Samagritir and Bhaguduga, have been dubiously explained as a treasure and revenue collector respectively in the Janpada's history. Survey of agriculture land was done by an official called Raju Gaga. So it is the person who measured the land, and as per this land itself he collected the revenue system from there. Okay. The Jataka's story referred to the local officer as the holder of the survivor card, and the official card in the Ashoka inscription Rajuka may have seen the same. Magasthani's record that the land was thoroughly surveyed. Right? So first is correct. Which one of the following is an artificial lake? That is the Kodai Canal in Tamil Nadu is a type of artificial lake that are made in Tamil Nadu. Kadai Canal lake, also known as the Kadai lake, is man-made lake located in Kadai Canal city in Dindigul district in Tamil Nadu, and here itself Hyder Ali made military shop there, or factory you can say. India Sir Vare Handy Levingay, the collector of Madurai, was instrumental in creating the lake in 1863 amid the Kodai Canal town, which was developed by the British and early missionaries from the USA. Let's see the third question. Third question is related to the cantonment board. Is it under the defense ministry under the central government? And it is correctly said it is the municipal administration with the civilian are administrated in the cantonment area. It is considered okay, central government, defense ministry, and the members of the board are nominated by the governor of the state. No, that is not the case. I think president should be there. Cantonment board is established for the municipal administration for the civilian population in the cantonment area. It is set up under the provision of the Cantonment Board Act of 2006. It amended there, right, in 2006. A legislative enacted by the central government. Second is not correct. It work under the administrative control of defense ministry. Remember this fact: defense ministry or the central government. A cantonment board consists of partly elected and partly nominated body. The elected member hold office for a term of 5 years, while the nominated member, do remember this fact that the elected officer for 5 years and nominated member or ex-officio member continue so long as they hold the office in the station. So, the military officer commanding the station is the ex-officio president of the board and preside over it meeting. The vice president of the board is elected by the elected member from the amongst for a term of 5 years. So you can say that whenever the elected posts come, 5 years is maintained there for their official work. Let's see the next question. In the context that administrate the policy related to the ring fence that are administered by the Britisher, that is related to defense the frontier of their neighbor so that they can safeguard their own territory. So it is just a type of a buffering of their own territory so that they can buy time whenever the adversary attack on them. Warren Hastings took charge as the Governor General at the critical period of British rule when the British were to encounter the powerful combination of the Marathas, Mysore, Hyderabad. At the same point of time, Russia also be seen as adversary because of the ideology of imperialism that they are followed at that point of time. He followed a policy of the ring fence which aimed at creating a buffer zone to defend the country's frontier. Broadly speaking, it was the policy of the defense of the neighbor frontier. For even we are using Nepal as like that only. For example, there is a Nepal and there is China, Mammoth China. When they are attacked here to come to India, we can buy time so that they can when they reach Nepal. Because of the Nepal have great friendship nowadays increasing with China, the concern regarding this type of policy are now arising, right? Let's see the last question of today's. Let's see the thing. Okay. Nanosponge sometimes is news that is related to the carrier for drug delivery. So B statement is correct. The ideal drug delivery system mobilize the drug, lead to therapy to the target site and release the therapy so that they fulfill individual need of the patient disease stage. Nanosponges are one of such effective drug which conquer the problem of drug toxicity, accessibility and effective use we can made. Okay. And a type of cavity is there. When they go to in our system or body, they could not have effect on other cells there. So that is the main reason to make them in cavity. Thank you for the listening.